What does a 460 square foot golf course view room in the tower at the Grand Traverse Resort and Spa really look like? The Traverse City Resort and Spa itself lies about 7 miles from Traverse City. A resort sits on a 900-acre facility, mainly consisting of golf courses. So this is where the hotel is located, on the Grand Traverse Bay. The hotel has a very pretty lobby, an extensive gym and pool area, a shopping complex with upscale shop, kids stores, and finally there's a candy store. From the inside one can get to the spa and health club. The spa features 2 indoor pools, a nice slide, and a rope crossing to do, 2 indoor tennis courts. The hotel has a huge, excellent looking exercise room. Taking the elevator up. From the elevator, it's a short walk to room 1063. The sleeping area of room 1063 is huge. 2 queen-size beds, a nice-sized closet with an iron and a ironing board, a nice fancy dresser with a TV set and a good computer desk. Room 1063 has a nice view of the golf course and the woods in the distance. So let's go in and take a look at the bathroom. A large sink with the standard amenity bottles, a nothing special toilet. The shower is huge. It's a big 2-person shower. In the entry foyer, there's a wet bar, coffee, and there's a good-sized refrigerator in the room. The room has an excellent temperature control system. Easy to set temperatures, change temperatures, and the room heating cooling system does a good job at keeping you at the desired temperature. Sadly, there are a lot of negatives associated with this room. First of all, you get to make your own bed because there's no room service whatsoever while you are here. So if you stay a week, you'll never see your room cleaned, your trash cans emptied. There's no safe in the room. Your dirty towels will linger in a cozy corner during your entire stay. And if you want to dry out your towels, there's no racks to put them on to dry. In summary, what can I say about this 460 square foot room on the 10th floor with a golf course view? Lovely, but go elsewhere. This is not the place for a typical stay at a hotel.